Thomas and Friends Minis. Ready, Set, Build has so much to see and do. Build your dream train set from scratch or follow one of many blueprints. Then flip, spin, loop, crash and ride through your creation and watch it come to life. Thomas and Friends Minis. Are you ready? Set, build! Are you ready to get creative? Oh, another golden gear has appeared. Don't forget to send an engine to pick it up. Try again. Place the block in the highlighted space. You found a golden gear. One last gear will get you a surprise. With each golden gear, you get closer to a surprise. And who doesn't love surprises? The best tracks are the ones that run in a loop. Good work! You earned a new mini, Spooky Thomas. You can use your finger to rotate the object. Spooky Thomas. A railway needs more than tracks. Let's add some attraction. Here you will find bridges, tunnels, obstacles, and lots of other fun things. These pieces can only be placed on straight tracks. Wonderful! Splendid! You're a most used, like Thomas would say, bust my buffers. That is splendid work. Here in the orange shelf, you'll find lots of super decorations for your train set. Not quite. It's always best to put the decorations on a block beside the track. Good work! You're a natural builder. Did you know you can add water or snow or other terrains to your track? Tap on the red shelf to see the different terrains you can use. Tap on the red shelf to see the different terrains you can... Simply choose a terrain by tapping on it. Then you can paint your train set directly with your finger. That looks great! Splendid! You're a most Your train set is now useful, fun and pretty. Let's see if it's as exciting to ride as it is to look at. Riding around with the engines is the most exciting part.